Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Patriot computer. First, you'll need to locate your vehicle's battery, typically found under the hood. Make sure your ignition is completely off before you begin. You'll also want to have a wrench handy, usually a 10 mm or 13 mm, to safely disconnect the battery terminals. This process helps clear error codes and can resolve minor electrical glitches. Now, let's disconnect the battery. Always start by loosening and removing the negative battery cable first. This is usually marked with a minus sign. Once the negative cable is off, proceed to disconnect the positive cable, marked with a plus sign. Carefully move both cables away from the battery terminals to prevent accidental contact during the reset process. Safety is key here. With both cables disconnected, gently touch the positive and negative cables together for about 30 seconds. This crucial step helps drain any residual power from the vehicle's computer system, effectively clearing its memory. After this, reconnect the positive battery cable first, ensuring it's tight. Then, reattach the negative cable securely. Your Jeep's computer should now be reset. After reconnecting everything, start your Jeep Patriot and let it idle for about 10 minutes. This allows the computer to relearn its engine parameters and adapt to its new settings. You might notice some initial differences in performance as it adjusts. Remember, regular maintenance helps prevent future issues. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.